How to build a gaming PC 2022. Gaming is a big craze for game lunatics. Normally gaming PCs tend to be a stronger and different type than normal PCs. For those who play computer games, the computer configuration is very high level. Graphics cards are very important for gaming PC. You need to select a PC that makes your PC fast and loads games very fast. However, if you are mad about gaming and is within reach of your budget, you can create a high-brand updated gaming PC in 2022. Build a gaming PC 2022. Here is our guide on how to build a gaming PC. What you need is given below. Central Processor Unit, CPU. Motherboard. Random Access Memory, RAM. Graphics Processing Unit, GPU. Storage. Power Supply Unit, PSU. System cooling. Gaming peripherals. Operating system, OS. If you research well before making such a PC, it will not take long to upgrade. If you understand the process, then you can build this type of PC by yourself. 1. You have to prepare your motherboard. You can use budget-friendly motherboard of your computer as per your budget. Look at the model of your processor socket and select the motherboard accordingly. For gaming, check the overclock cable motherboard. 2. You have to install Center Process Unit, CPU. 3. You have to install Random Access Memory, RAM. Please note that RAM is an essential part of PC. So you have to find out that how much memory you need to faster loading your game within second. For gaming, check the RAM slot for at least 4 hours, sound quality and heatsink. 4. Install the Graphics Processing Unit, GPU, because when you want to best performance from your mobile, you have to include video card/graphics card or Graphics Processing Unit, GPU. 5. Install your Power Supply Unit, PSU. It is an easy function. 6. For build a gaming PC, you can add SSD card which increase your storage. SSD is faster than hard disk. It will make your PC much faster and can be done very quickly. Your game will load quickly. 7. Install your CPU Colling System. However, you have to install cooling fan. This fan is which helps in ventilation for your gaming PC. 8. Install power supply. 9. For PC casing, take a larger gaming casing because the size of your motherboard will be bigger and the size of your graphics card will be bigger. 10. You have come to the end of work. It's time to attach your storage and prepare your operating system. Plug your USB flash drive. 11. Now connect all cords and plug all the cables back in. You can now open your PC. When settings are complete and it's to be ready for gaming PC,